Hey Ella,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
It's
Sandcastles?
Yes.
Show us. Do you have a shovel?
Yep. A blue.
A blue shovel. Cool.
A
Dig. Do you,
A big.
do you remember how to say dig in Chinese? Wah.
Wa. So. There you go.
What did you do?
Wa.
Wah.
Wa.
You gonna make a big mountain?
That.
Oh, don't throw it out of the sandbox. Keep it in the sandbox. No. Yeah, you can push it back in.
That.
Like that, yep.
Clean.
Clean. Good job. You like it on your toes?
Toast.
Yeah. See, what's Daddy doing?
Checking out the yard.
What do you have? A cup? Are you gonna put sand in it?
A dump.
Can you sing a song? Do I sing row, row, row your boat? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. An airplane.
Get it.
Oh, I don't think we can reach it. It's too far away.
I get it.
I can't get it. Ugh. It's too high.
A bird.
You see a bird?
I got it. A bird.
Oh.
Jump.
Jump.
I said it.
Okay. What's that, Ella? Got the buckets?